company is struggling with the cost savings. The company is struggling with just write down. The company is struggling with cost savings.
Company is
Cost savings struggling to generate.
struggling in cost
No.
savings.
Struggling to generate.
Savings in generating.
No.
The
No.
company is struggling in cost savings.
No. The company is struggling in generating cost savings. Okay.
Pencil to okay.
The company is struggling in generating the cost savings. So they want to evaluate
Small pencil, I think. Small pencil. Small pencil
the
this one.
suppliers. They want to evaluate the suppliers.
Sharpener.
In getting the right cost, in getting the targeted cost savings. Targeted cost savings. Okay, they want to target cost savings. So company is decided. Company has decided. Company wants to have minimum. Sorry, have four four cost savings percentage of more than 7% to achieve their quarterly targets, monthly
The
targets.
company. Okay.
Okay, so company wants to have four cost savings of more than 7% to achieve their monthly targets of cost savings.
Cost savings.
So, in how many purchase orders which will be released to suppliers, in how many purchase orders which will be released to suppliers would they attain those four cost savings of more than 7%? Right? Read the question once again.
The company is struggling in generating the cost savings, so they want to evaluate the suppliers in getting the targeted cost savings. Okay. Company wants to have 4 cost savings percentage of more than 7% to achieve their monthly targets. How many purchase orders which will be released to suppliers? Would they attain those 4 cost savings more than 7%? So the company is
So there
struggling
are
in
two outcomes
generating the
here.
cost savings. Okay.
There are two
They want to
outcomes.
evaluate the suppliers in getting the targeted cost savings. Company wants to have 4 cost savings percent of more than 7% to achieve the monthly targets. In how many purchase orders will they be released to suppliers? Would they attain the 4% cost savings more than 7%? Okay. Hello.
Yeah. So there are two outcomes here.
Yes.
One outcome is cost savings less than equal to 7%, and cost savings more than equal
Okay.
to 7%.
More than equal to 7%. Shall I write
Yeah.
the outcome? for more than 7% and less than 7%. More than 7% and less than 4%. Okay. The company is struggling generating the cost savings. Related cost savings. The company wants to have okay, failure effect one. So how many trials we don't know. What is a success? What is a failure? So what is here would attain those 4% cost savings of more than 7%. So the success factor would be what, sir? More than 7%?
Yeah.
Hmm.
So first of all, you have decided this is a case of a binomial distribution or this is a case of negative binomial distribution.
Okay.
That's what is the first question.
It's in how many purchase orders they are asking. So purchase orders we don't know. Trials we don't know. So that would be negative binomial distribution only.
Once again.
In how many purchase orders which would be released to the suppliers. So how many purchase orders they are going to get more than 7% and less than 4%, we need to find out. So we don't know how many purchase orders are there that would be released to the suppliers to find out cost savings.
Mm-hmm.
Or else we can say this one also. To evaluate the suppliers in getting targeted cost savings to get more than 7% and less than 4%. So we need to
4%. Where is
find
four?
out
Where is less than
how
4?
many.
Where is less than 4% here?
This one,
7
company wants
7%
to
is
have
there.
4
7%.
cost savings percentage and more than 7%. 4%, less than 4 and more than 7 we need to find out.
Less than 4 or more than 7?
Uh,
What is less than 4?
mm, we have to find 4% cost savings of more than 7%.
Just read it properly.
4% of more than 7%. The company wants to have 4 cost saving percentage of more than 7%. So less than is not there. It means that in between 4 and 7 we need to find out, no sir?
No, you have to tell me. I don't know anything. You have to tell me. Why you are thinking like that?
Actually, see here in question, the company wants to have 4% cost savings of more than 7%. So more than 7% we have taken, and less than 4% we need to find. It means that it lies between 4 to 7, less than 4 and more than 7%.
How can you say less than 4 and more than 7? That is, they are different terms or they are same terms?
No, they are different terms. More than 7% is one outcome, and next outcome is 4%. Cost savings 4% of more than 7%. 4 wants to have 4 cost savings percentage of more than 7%. It means is less than 4 and more than 7. Ante.
Think. Properly read and think.
Company wants to have 4 cost saving percent of more than 7%. would they attain those 4 cost savings of more than 7? More than 7 is 1 to achieve the monthly target. The company is struggling in generating the cost savings, so they want to evaluate the suppliers in getting the targeted cost savings. Okay. Company wants to have 4 cost saving percent of more than 7% to achieve their monthly targets. And how many purchase orders which will be released to suppliers would they attain those four cost savings of more than 7%? Not only, sir, more than 7% and 4%, not less than
Where is
4%, I
4%?
guess.
How can you say 4? Why are you saying 4%? Tell me, let me know. Why are you saying 4% there?
The
Because the
company
number is
wants to
given
have
4.
4 cost saving percentage. 4 cost saving.
Read properly. Try to think.
Company wants to have 4 cost saving percent. They wanted to have 4 cost saving percent of more than 7. More than 7% అన్నప్పుడు less than 4 only it will come, no? More than 7%. Okay, that is 1. And company wants to have 4 cost savings. More than 7%. 4 cost saving percentage more than 7. Would they attain those 4 cost savings more than 7%? So the outcomes are more than 7% is 1 and 4 cost savings is the other one. Maybe would they attain those 4 cost savings? It will not be less than 4. 4 cost savings. More than 7% is they have given. And the second one is we need to find out that they are going to get 4 cost savings of more than 7%. See, the trials we don't know. The outcomes are 4 out of the number of trials, 4 they would attain 4 cost savings of more than 7%. So, so 4 of the trials, we need to get more than 7%. We need to find out that.
So there
In
is
how
a.
many purchase orders?
Okay, so let me try. See here, they have given. The company wants to have 4 cost savings of more than 7%.
Hmm.
4 cost saving percentage of more than 7%. It means
Hmm.
number of success is 4.
Hmm.
The number of
Okay.
success is 4. 4
Hmm.
cost savings percentage of more than 7%. So the number of success is,
4
what is success here? Cost savings more
cost
than,
savings.
cost savings, not cost savings. Cost savings more than 7% is a success.
Hmm.
First of all, you are right. What is success?
Of more than 7%.
Okay, is a success probability. Is success. And what is failure?
Success probability.
What is failure probability?
Failure probability
is
is
cost savings
uh,
of less than equal to 7%.
hmm, failure probability is less than 4%, less than equivalent to
7%.
4%,
7%.
7%. Okay, it should not cross more than 7. Okay,
Less than equal to. Less than and equal to 7%.
less than equal to, y equal to will come, sir.
Because we have more than in the success. So less than will be, so failure will be less than and equal to.
Okay.
And the number of success is if you want to have, if you want to achieve our targets, if you want to achieve
Hmm.
our targets of the cost savings, we need
Hmm.
four four success.
For success.
What is success here?
Cost savings of more than 7. So we
Yeah,
should get 4 that one.
yeah. We need to have at least four occurrences. We need to have four occurrences of we need to have four occurrences of cost savings more than 7%.
Savings more than 7%. Hmm.
Okay. So now,
Hmm.
do we know number of orders here? How many orders we need to give to supplier to get four cost savings? In the question, it is it mentioned that how many orders we need to release to supplier to get four occurrences of cost savings?
4 ही बोलना पड़ता.
My question is,
नहीं पता.
listen to my question. In this
Hmm.
question, is it mentioned that how many orders we need to release to suppliers?
No, it did not mention.
So is this a case of a binomial distribution or negative binomial distribution?
Negative binomial
Why?
distribution.
Why?
Why? Because we don't know number of trials are not fixed.
What is a trial here? What is definition of trial in this question?
It's purchase orders which are released to suppliers.
Yes. So the number of purchase order
Hmm.
is a trial here.
So in that, in number of more than 7%, 4 आना चाहिए.
4 आना चाहिए. Right? So what is the minimum number of order you have to release?
4 बोले तो वो कैसे करना फिर?
बताओ सोचो think what is the minimum number of orders we need to release? If you release one purchase order, are you going to get four occurrences of cost
No,
savings?
no, it should be more than 4.
More than four or more than equal to four?
It should be more than equivalent to 4.
Right. So
No,
you have
no,
to
no, no. It should be more than equivalent to 4.
so you have to start with which number? You are starting with one. So you have to start with which
Mm.
number here? Number of trials.
Number of trials from 0 you want me to start, sir?
No, 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 no. I'm not asking. Don't need to ask. I'm asking the question from you. If you want to
Uh-huh.
get at least four occurrence of cost savings, so minimum number of purchase orders which you need to release is how much?
I can release 5.
Why not four?
4 only we want, no?
So all the four will be more than
All the
700.
4 also we can take,
Yeah.
But the failure probability should be less than 7%, no? Less than
We'll not
equivalent
get
to
any failures.
7%.
We'll not get any failures.
Hmm?
We will not get any failure.
Okay. All occurrences should be more than 7%.
Yeah. Will be not should then it will be more than 7% because we are releasing four
No.
orders and all the four orders are having cost savings of more than 7%.
So it is not necessary that we can only take 4, or else we can even take 5 also. No.
See, my question is once again, how many purchase order, minimum purchase orders you need to release to get 4?
4.
So do you know the number of trials here?
No.
So why are you fixing only on 4?
Okay.
It's a random generator, it's a random value.
Hmm.
If you are fixing on only 4, it means it's not random, it is only 4 trials.
Yes.
I gave you the hint, now you solve the problem. Okay? If you cannot solve, then I will intervene.
Hmm. Hmm. 4 occurrences, more than 7%. 4 occurrences of costing, more than 7%. Means how many I should take? It's more than 7%. 4 occurrences of cost savings, more than 7%. More than 7%. 8% can I take? More than 7 అన్నారు కాబట్టి 8 తీసుకోవచ్చు, 9 తీసుకోవచ్చు, 10 తీసుకోవచ్చు, 11 తీసుకోవచ్చు అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఏమో మరి. సార్,
Hello?
hello. So here the success probability, the 4 occurrences of cost saving should be more than 7%. So we can take 8%, 9%, 10%, and 11%.
You complete it. I will
Huh?
tell. You complete it, then I will tell. If you cannot complete, then let me know. I'll solve the problem.
Okay. Success probability, 4 occurrences of cost saving more than 7%. So let it be 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay. And the failure probability, it is no. Success probability is yes. It will be no. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Okay. इसके बाद में क्या करें कल? Yes. No. No. Okay. We have taken percentages here. Defective yes is 20%. So more than 7 months, less than 4. Uh, Success probability is 7%, 70%, 30%. Cost savings of more than 7%. Hmm. Success, failure, failure. Okay. Yes is 20%, effective is 80%. Here success is 7%, more than 7%. more than 7%. Failure is less than or equal to 7%. Else, ఎక్కడికి into 4. Failure probability is less than equal to failure probability is less than and equal to 4%. Less than and equal to 7%. More than, and this one is less than. Yes, correct. अभी देखो. Percentages are given. 70%, 20%. So more than 7% and less than 7%. Better than 7% equivalent to 7%. F. Yes. F9. K6 to this one. Freeze करना है. Comma 2 outcomes are there. False is 20%. Is equivalent to cup. Yes. Testing should be 2 is appropriate. If this is less, that should be 2. Success is less than equal to 7%. No. Success probability is more than 7%. More than 7% means should be yes. No. True नहीं है ना? क्या है? Less than equivalent to 7%. Failure आया. Failure नहीं आना ना. Success अथवा false. Yes, factor to 20% here. Open more than 7% आना. So that should be false here. Yes, false. नहीं है, wrong. Get success probability. No, freeze that. Okay. We have two outcomes. And if this is, then it should be true. Failure. Should be false. Failures. It's not applicable के बारे में ट्रू नहीं जाना चाहिए. Wrong. It is this one.
Okay, so let me help you.
Here I'm not understanding.
Okay, let me help you. Let me help you.
True or false? Success. Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have two outcome, right? One is less than equal to
Yes.
7%. Other is
Hmm.
more than 7%. So let's give a, let's say less than 7% is 40%, 50%, not let's say 40%, and more than 7% is 60%, for example. Now we are saying that we need four success to reach this the cost savings target. Right? This is what we are saying. But we do not know how many orders we have to release.
Yes.
Okay. So if I release three orders, suppose if I release a number of orders, a number of success. If I release one order, if I
Hmm.
release one order, how many success will I get? Maximum success. Will I get four success if I release one order?
4.
Listen to my question properly. If I release one order, can I get four success?
Hmm. No.
Yes or no? And if no, why
No.
no? Why no?
Only one order is released. You will get only one.
Okay. So this will make nonsense for me. If I release two orders, then will I get four success?
No.
If I release three orders, will I get four success?
No.
If I release four
4.
orders, can I get four success?
Yes.
If I release five orders, will I get four success?
Yes.
Right? So we have to start with not one, two, three. It doesn't make any sense.
Hmm.
We have to start with number of orders, minimum number of orders,
4.
four. Is this clear?
Yes.
So number of orders, number of success, and number of failures. Right? So number of orders is strong. We are going to start with 4. If number of success is 4, how many is failure?
0.
That is number of